Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery. In this key fob here, you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery, like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here on the back, you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button, and when you do that, you'll be able to pull this mechanical key out. This one here. So when you remove the mechanical key, right after that here you see this hole and this piece, this one. Now to remove this piece, take your mechanical key or the flat screwdriver, whatever you find easier, and insert it right here, and the whole idea here is just to push this up and to remove this piece over here. So push this piece up and you'll be able to remove it. So when you remove this cap here above the battery, right after that, here, you see your old dead battery over here in this place. Now to remove the battery, you can use again the flat screwdriver, insert the tip here and push the battery outside. Alright, when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Now when you insert your new battery over here, take this cap again, make sure you align it perfectly and snap them together. When you snap them together, take your mechanical key and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning here, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.